This is the ruling. There were 3 applications for conservatory orders in E221 of 2023, E228 of 2023, and E232 of 2023. We have considered the arguments and positions taken by the parties and take the following view of the matter. By ruling dated 28th of July 2023, the Court of Appeal made an order, that the order made on 10th July 2023, that is the conservatory order, suspending the Finance Act 2023 and the order prohibiting implementation of the Finance Act 2023 be and is hereby lifted pending hearing and determination of the appeal. The effect of this order was to lift the suspension imposed on the law by the conservatory orders issued by the High Court, and whose effect, in our understanding, was to merely suspend that law. Once the Court of Appeal lifted the suspension, it meant that the Finance Act would be implemented. Although the court stated that the court could consider suspending specific provisions of the Act, whose implementation would have an irreversible effect, and where parties cannot be refunded, we are not persuaded that we should exercise this jurisdiction at this stage, in view of the fact that these issues were all before the court when it made the decision. It must be recalled that this is a decision in rem, and it binds all the parties, whether they were before the court or not. So that the petitions are now scheduled for hearing, and it is on that basis that we decline to give any interim orders, because we believe those matters of conservatory orders were resolved by the Court of Appeal. And all the issues raised may still be canvassed in the parties' pleadings and submissions. Those are our orders, dismissing your respective applications. So, having dealt with all the petitions, these are our directions. Number 1, all the petitions listed before us today are now consolidated for purposes of hearing. We'll hear them all together. Number 2, any petitioner in any of the respective petitions who wishes to amend their petitions may do so, to file and serve their respective petitions by 10th of August 2023. By 10th of August 2023. Then the respondents and interested parties to file and serve their replying affidavits within 7 days from that date, and they should do so by 17th of August 2023. If the petitioners wish, they may file their supplementary affidavits, but they should file their written submissions on or before 24th of August 2023. The submissions must not exceed 10 typewritten pages, 1.5 space, 14 points. As you will see, a third of the bench is almost going blind. Keep that in mind. The respondent and interested parties to file and serve their written submissions, 10 pages, 1.5 space, 14 points, on or before 31st of August 2023. And if the petitioners wish to respond, they may do so, but the response must not exceed 4 pages. So that will set the stage for the hearing date, which we have already settled. There was an application by Mr. Omtata for contempt. Summons shall issue to Mr. Bargoria to attend court on 13th of September for the hearing of the application dated 4th July 2023. And parties are directed to send their pleadings and submissions in Word format to the email that will be furnished by the Deputy Registrar. So unless I have left anything, that disposes of today's mention.